What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to integrate Google search into your WordPress website for free. So the first thing you need to do is to open up a new tab and search for Google custom search or service, Google custom search, and you can add engine if you want to. And now here you will click on this page right here where you can create your own programmable search engine on Google. And then here, click on Get Started. And here, the search engine name, let's name it, for example, Test Search. And then here, you want to enter a site or pages. So here, you'll enter your own domain name. So I'll just type in here example.com. Or you can search the entire web if you want to, so I'll select it. Now here, you can do an image search or safe search. And now, check I'm not a robot, and create your search engine. So click on create, and now you'll get this custom code here. Just make sure to copy it, and once you've finished here, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Here it's opened, and then go to appearance, go to widgets. Okay, just close this pop-up, and now just drag or add a text widget here. Let's search for text. Okay, just a simple text widget. Okay, just drag it right here. And then here, just paste your code. And then here, you're done. All you need to do is to click on update here to save your settings. And now you have your custom search engine.